Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you top 5 perfumes under 1000 rupees. Yes, you heard that right. They are going to be under 1000 rupees and they are going to be like 50 ml or 100 ml bottles, except one of those because I wanted to include some variants of everything in it. So yeah, and now I think without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay guys, to start off, I'll start off with the cheapest perfume. Okay, so this perfume is from Miniso. This is their Joy Portable perfume and it's in the fragrance strawberry champagne, and this come in 5 more variants. In total they come in 6 variants, which like you can definitely choose from whatever you want. And as well, I think now most of the cities have Miniso, so it's pretty easy, and this is available in like most of them. So yeah, I think this is a pretty nice one. But if you want this same one, just go for it. It's amazing. It's a little fruity, it's a little strong, like it has a really nice stay power as well. Like it stays on your body like for like I'll say 12 to 15 hours, which is good. I think after that you can definitely retouch it. So yeah, and this is actually 10 ml bottle, and this is not at all expensive. This is only for 200 rupees, and I'll show you the bottle as well. So it's like pretty basic packaging, ऐसे ही बाहर आएगा, obvious सी बात है. This is how it looks. मैंने ये भी 3-4 बार यूज कर लिया, थोड़ा सा कम हो गया है because it's amazing for traveling, and I'll recommend you कि आप ये साथ में कैरी करें ताकि ये ज़्यादा सेफ रहता है. ये टूटने का इसका बहुत रेयर चांस है. So yeah, although तो मेरे को नहीं लगता है कि ये टूटेगा. मैंने उसके बिना भी इसको लाइक ट्रैवल करा है. मैंने अच्छे खासे उसके टेस्ट लिए हैं. अगर आपके ऊपर पानी भी लग जाता है तब भी ये कहीं से ख़राब नहीं होता. मतलब इसकी स्मेल बहुत अच्छी रहती है आफ्टर दैट एज वेल. इट्स नॉट, इसकी स्टे पर काफ़ी अच्छी है. तो आई डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर लाइक ट्रैवल साइज परफ्यूम्स. और एंड बाय द वे आई थिंक मिनीसो के पास 250 रुपीज़ के एक जो ज़ोडियाक सेंस वाले परफ्यूम्स होते हैं, दोज आर रियली गुड इज वेल. अभी तो वो मेरे ख़त्म हो गए, सो आई कांट रियली टेल यू शो यू इट, but still it's amazing. You can definitely try that one too. So I think now let's move on to the next perfume. Okay, now for the next perfume, I have this perfume which is from Zara. Now this is not exactly 1000, like under 1000, but when I got this it was like 1050 rupees. And that at that time this was the brand new piece. At that time it was really expensive, but now you can easily get this for like 900 or 1000 rupees. And this is I think a 75 ml bottle, which is amazing. Pretty nice it is. And इसकी भी स्टे पावर काफ़ी अच्छी है. वो मैंने लगाया हुआ था इसलिए आई डोंट नीड टू स्प्रे दिस एनीवे, बट ये मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से यूज़ नहीं करा है अभी. तो I'll give you like a nice, I think इसके 2-3 sprays for your whole body is enough. इसकी fragrance strong नहीं है, but it's very fruity and feminine, which is a good. And this is by the way called Zara Rose. So yeah, this is Zara Rose, and you can get it like for 800 to 900 on Amazon as well. Or if you have Zara stores nearby, you can go there and also check this out. So I think yeah, I'll definitely recommend this to you. Okay, now moving on. I think I'm gonna show you the Zara perfume. No, maybe I'll show you the Miniso one. Okay, now coming back to Miniso. Miniso has some really nice and affordable perfumes. They are really nice quality, and I'll definitely recommend that to you as well. So moving on to this perfume, and most of them are like 1000 or under, so it's amazing. And they're like really nice bottles. They have a 460 rupees range, a 650 rupees range, and then 850 or 890 rupees range. And after that it's a little more expensive, but it's not expensive at all. Okay, this perfume This is from Miniso. This is called the Dazzle perfume, and this is in the variant Stars. There was another variant which was Orchids, but I opted for the Stars, and this comes with 100 ml, which is amazing. And this one is for 560 rupees. You can just see right here. I don't know if you can properly see, like right here. But yeah, this is for 560 rupees, which is really nice. I'll show you the bottle. I love the bottle of this perfume. It's very pretty and feminine. So yeah. This is somehow it looks like. So guys, like I said, this is 560 rupees and it comes with a beautiful bottle, like beautiful bottle. And this is again 100 ml, which is amazing. Really nice bottle. It is sort of pink in color. So yeah, and this is amazing. This one smells like a little more fruity, feminine, and not really that strong. So it's not amazing. Okay, so coming to the scent of this perfume, it has a very fruity scent and a feminine scent, but it's not that strong. And I'll say the stay power of this one is around 9 to 10 hours, which is okay. It's not the best, but it's okay. On your body, it's 8 to 9 hours. Otherwise, on clothes, it stays like for 15 to 19 or to 20 hours. That's a pretty good amount if you put it on your clothes. Okay guys, so the next perfume that I have is this one from Zara Baby Girl, and I think this was gifted to me, so I don't know the price exactly, but I think this was around 8 to 900, which is affordable, like affordable. And this is somehow it looks like. This is as well 100 ml. This one has a really nice and fruity scent. It's not feminine, but it's not sweet fruity, but it's fruity, I'll say. So it's amazing, and I still love it. So yeah, and the packaging is also really cute. So recommended. Coming to my last and my favorite perfume and the expensive one. This is the perfume from Non. I think it's how it, I don't know, I can't pronounce it. This is called the Fantasy Unicorn, and this is also called the Magic Potion. Let's open it. Born Shine. Then comes the unicorn. So ये 3 variants में आता है, pink, purple and blue, and I got the blue one. Tripod here. Unicorn horn and then perfume. This one has a really sweet fruity scent, which is also amazing. So I'll recommend this one as well. This one I think I got on off. No, this was fresh, and I got this for, I think so. And I think I got this one around maybe like 950 or 1000. Okay, I'll see. So the print on this one is 995. It's almost like 1000, but I got 950. But still, it is amazing. Look at the packaging, holographic and all that stuff. So yeah, and this was the last perfume because all 5 perfumes are done. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And unfortunately this time also I have one shout out, and that is the shout out for this video goes to Paras K Vlogs. And yeah, shout out goes to him because he only did comment his name in the comment section. I'll check that once again. If I had any of the shout outs, I'll definitely do in the next video. And yeah, and by the way, because of this time I just did one shout out. In the next video I'll be doing 3 shout outs, so don't forget to comment below your name. And yeah guys, I think that was it for today's video. And again I'm saying, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I thought, guys, bye.